Okay, so I'm trying to connect the handle to the scooter right here, but the tread inside of here is worn out, so it's not making contact and it's slipping. So I'm going to use a shim. I'm going to wrap electrical tape around the tread here to act as a shim, and then when I install it, when I put this on top of here and screw it on, it'll be a tight fit. As you can see, there's a clamp over here. You tighten this, and that pushes these two pieces of metal together and gives you a tight enough fit because the tread is worn on here. The tread over here looks okay. Over here it's worn. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so just make it tight. It's tight enough where you can actually see the tread right here. I'm going to twist it, hold this, hold on to the wheel for leverage. Now you want to keep turning this to get it all the way down as possible. So just hold on to the wheel for leverage and keep turning it. Okay, just lift this up. I don't want there to be any resistance from the clamp. Push down as you're turning it. There you go. That's all the way down now. Okay. Now that that's down, just take off the excess. Now I'm going to tighten the clamp. You need to make sure the clamp is all the way down. It's going to clamp this together. You see there's a slot over here. It holds the metal together tighter to make sure it's a tight fit. Okay, so I'm going to tighten this now. You need an Allen key. I'm going to use this. The ratchet is good because it gives you better leverage, because this has to be very tight. As tight as possible. Okay. Okay, let's see if it's tight. Yeah, very tight. Yeah, this is tight. No play, no movement. And that's it. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.